Okay, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And today I'm very excited because I just received the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I received it today and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. And you can see everything that comes with it if you decide to order it. Right now it's the best cell phone out there by Samsung. So let's see what's inside. Well, this one, it looks like they put the manual on top on the other side. Let's see what comes inside of here. This is just, of course, the SIM card remover. They have it on here, and then a couple of quick reference guides. Oh, and the device comes with a screen protector. Oh, okay, that's pretty neat. It already has a screen protector installed. And if you want to remove it, it's up to you, but most people put screen protectors on it, so that's a plus. That's pretty good. And then, of course, the cable for you to transfer your information from your old device to the new Galaxy. The cable should be inside, and then just the terms and conditions. So this is the phone itself. Okay. Yeah, and you can see it does have the screen protector installed already. I don't know if it's kind of hard. And this is a factory install, so this is pretty neat. I hope other cell phone companies start doing the same thing. And this is the back of the phone. It has a little protector on it as well, but I guess you can remove it. If not, you can keep it. It has all the cameras on the back. And let's see what's inside of here. So this is the wall charger. It comes with, okay, this is the cable. Yeah, this is the cable for the wall charger and also for the computer. And it comes with earbuds. They're the wired ones, but since it doesn't have the headphone jack, you have to do it through the USB Type-C connection. And let's see what the last thing is in here. Oh yeah, the cable we were showing about how to transfer the information from your old device into the new one. Okay, so I figured out what that little thing is. So if you look at that box again, where it has that transfer cable or the device, when you look inside this little thing here, it's a tool in order to replace the tips of the S Pen, the stylus that comes with the Note 10 Plus. So let me pull out the stylus so you can see what I'm talking about. You would use the tool to remove the tip, and it comes with two tips, a white one and a black one. And this is, I guess, when these wear out or break, but this is very handy to keep close by. So I'm just gonna really quick talk about what the phone has. The MSRP of this one, because it is the 10 Plus, it's $1,100. That's the retail, the MSRP. And in the back, it has two 12 megapixel cameras, one 16 megapixel camera, and then the 3D camera, which the regular Note does not have. And then in the front, it has the 10 megapixel selfie camera, the front camera. It's a 6.8 inch screen, and this is for the 10 Plus. There's a 12 gigs of RAM, also for the 10 Plus, and 4300 mAh battery, so this will last you a long time. And then one thing that this has and that the Note 10 does not have is a micro SD slot. This one does come with it, and it's a 256 gig storage. And there is a 512 gig storage available. It's an option that you can choose, but I decided to get the 256. And that's everything that comes with it. And if you look at the phone, it does have a stylus, and it's built in here on the bottom. Let's see, I've never had a note before. Yeah, you just press it in and it pops out and it slides out, and you charge it when you put it in as well. So I'll keep it in there and you just push it in to lock in place. So, and this is the blue color, the midnight blue I think it was that I ordered, and this is a beautiful phone. So thank you again for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. When you see Darth Vader, go ahead and click on him. That'll subscribe you to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell as well, so you can get notified on all my new videos that come out. Thank you very much, and I'm gonna be up all night probably playing with my new device. Thank you.